brother in today I feel day. General I get married is a blessing. Yeah man, but stick around man. This is hard, really hard life, bro. One love, man. Proper. Alright, that's your word there as well, Yeah man, full support.
Yeah man, grandfather, yeah man. That's what I said. So we enjoy day today,
Proper.
Saying one love, big up.
Granddad, grandfather, yeah man, it's your bro, yeah. It's a blessing, man, true blessing. Stick around. Yard. Yeah. I'll never tell you, brother. You're up, but you know the energy. Love and love and respect, my bro. Yeah, man. Full time, Yeah, that's it, them, brother. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Impress you on the corner, yeah. But need some time now. Whole lot coming. This is hard, really hard life. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, walk with the most side every time. Yeah, man. You know me up and about and there, yeah, there, most naturally. Yeah man, run come on and come grab a few goods, but oh my world, wish I could show you all the whole scenario, the whole well, I wish I could show you all everything, but the rest can't get to show you, so I figure more or less I'll show you what I can. Yeah man, so stick around man. This is yard, no preservative, no additive. Yes man. Jamaica yard life. Take a detour. Road a fix up. I see them fix up a few roads so we can move through. Yeah man, safely, So they have good mats. But stick around. This is yard, real yard. No preservative. Country really nice and blessing. Chat with you later. Look at that. Blessing, man. Real blessing, you know. Come on, yeah. Show you what I'm doing. This is how we do it in Jamaica. Whoa. Done with that. Come on, yard. I'm sure you want one. Open about. You know me already. Yeah, man. Reap the ginger them from out of the front yard, you know. Yeah, man. Ramsack the place, and this is how I get. So I go harvest these, you know, for the kitchen. Yeah, man. I'm gonna plant back these. Yeah, man. Because you know you have to have something going most naturally. But I'm sure this spot where they come from, like. Alright, they can't take me again. Oh. Yeah, man. But, you know the energy guy, yes, where I get them from, you know. Yeah, man. Should have easy there. Yeah, man. When we there with Mommy Carol, you know, and I hear someone get the ginger them from, yeah? See Mommy Carol there shop. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. Real blessing, you know. Alright. Yeah, man. But yeah, I do that, you know. So stick around. Whole lot more coming. You know, I'm always up and about. So I fry 2 plantain and sausage. Yeah, man. But wish I could show you all the process. You know me already. Ever up and about. Yeah, man. I'm have plantain porridge. Yeah, man. See, it's all one plant can lose, you know. Yeah, man. There. Over Mummy's way. Yeah, man. My tile there. Grave, you know. Yeah, man. So I'm just there. I learn little tiling, you know. Look on. It is a blessing. For the whole family there here. Chris there on a corner, yeah. Yeah, man, brother. Family over there, so it's it. Yeah, man, proper. Yeah, man, everybody there. Jovi and Mummy around the corner there. Big Daddy. proper. Yeah, man. It's a blessing, man, but you know, sad say Mummy's way gone. Yeah, man, what we have to do, what we have to do, see. Buy them brand new kickers here. Yeah, man. Get 2 kickers together because you know the energy go. You have to prepare for the hills, you know. Yeah, man. 2 brand new water boat. Yeah, man. Foot big, you know. Let me see. Size. What is 11. Much for egg? Yeah, 30. 35. 2 egg.
So, how much egg will I? Get money here.
See that? Mine is broken now. Hold in your hand.
I'm giving you money.
You're not paying me.
That's it. I got me out of that.
Big up for the sales part.
You know, brother.
You like?
Everything.
Yeah. Name Jamaica Yard Life.
101.
Yeah, man, London Road, J.A. Hard life, you know me already. I still up on about, man. I'm still doing the right thing, you know. It's a blessing in our real life, you know. Yeah, man, but from the other day, a lot of ups and downs, so that's the reason why I've been away from the internet so far some time. Yeah, man, a lot of ups and downs. I can't explain everything, but right now, I'm just try to stay safe. Yeah, man. So, thank you all for the support. Yeah, man, and walk good, man. Stay strong, yeah. One love, one heart.